Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope you stick around and consider subscribing. Also, click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So today I'm going to share with you how I made these two flower arrangements and also the Bohemian style Christmas wreath. I found this cup and saucer at my local thrift store for 50 cents the set. So I actually picked up two of them. And then once I cleaned them up, all I did was grab some floral foam and I cut it to size in order for it to fit into the teacup. And before I added the foam into my teacup, what I did was just grab some of this foam double-sided tape and actually attached it all around the rim of my teacup in order for me to attach it to the saucer. Then go ahead and attach both the teacup and the saucer together and make sure you press onto them firmly to make sure that they're nice and secure and attached to each other really good. Then just go ahead and get your foam and make sure it fits into your teacup. And if you need to, just go ahead and cut some of that foam off in order for it to fit nice and firmly into your teacup. And what I did was I grabbed some of this floral tape and just attached it to the teacup and the foam as well, just to give it some more security and stability when I add the flowers. And if you don't have floral foam, you can also use tape. So I went to my local grocery store and just picked up some flowers from there. And I actually picked up some red roses, white roses, and some baby's breath. And I just cut them small, the stems smaller, because I knew I was going to cut them to make sure that they fit into the teacup. And I did the same thing with the baby's breath. And as you can see, I just cut a little bit at a time just until make sure that I didn't have to cut too much if I didn't need it. Then all I did was start cutting and trimming the stems of the roses as well as the baby's breath to make sure it fit into my teacup, and then just arranged it any way you want. And as you can see, the floral tape really didn't hold as well as I thought it would. So all I did was just add some tape before I finished it all up in order for it to stay nice and secure. So just continue adding some roses and baby's breath until you are satisfied and like the way the arrangement looks. Another idea, if you don't want to add roses, is just adding their favorite flower of the person that you're giving this to. Just makes it more unique and more special. So just continue, again, adding as much flowers and baby's breath as you like. And if you want to give this as a Christmas gift, just go ahead and add some candy canes or even a Christmas ornament in the center of your teacup, and it just makes it more of that Christmas theme arrangement. So I wanted to share with you how I did it with white roses as well. And as you can see, I didn't use all the package of roses, so you can actually make 2 teacups with one package of, for instance, the red roses, and another 2 teacups with the white roses as well. And I could use the baby's breath of one package for all 4 of them. So technically you can make this arrangement for maybe a $5 to $6. So this is a very budget-friendly gift. Again, just for anybody, for a get well, a baby shower, or even a Christmas gift. And I just arranged the white roses a little bit different than I did the red ones. Instead of adding baby breath throughout the entire arrangement, what I did was add all the white roses first, and then around them I added the baby's breath, just to give you a different idea of how you can arrange your flowers into these teacups. So there you have it, a different option and a different arrangement. And again, just add that candy cane and there you have a great Christmas gift. So the next DIY we're going to do is we're actually going to get some of these wooden feathers that I got at Dollar Tree. Then I started arranging them into a wreath by adding hot glue and attaching one feather at a time. Now I just added hot glue, but if you don't feel comfortable just adding hot glue, you can easily add some permanent glue. I know Dollar Tree has some really good permanent glue as well, or you can even use E6000. So once you're done making your wreath, as you can see, I had 2 extra of these wooden feathers. So what I did was I decided just to make a little decor with them in order for me to attach them in the center. And then to make this more of a festive Christmas wreath, what I did was grab some of these mini vase fillers that are the glitter. They have gold ones, and this is the ones I'm using, but they also have some silver mini vase fillers as well. So you can just use any kind you want and just attach it throughout the entire wreath. And to make it a little bit more festive, I decided to go ahead and grab some of this gold ribbon as well as some white ribbon and just make a simple bow. And then just fluff up your bow and attach it to your wreath wherever you like. I decided to go ahead and attach it right on the top part of my wreath, but you can easily add it to the center, to the middle. Basically make it whichever way you like by adding this bow onto your wreath. And just go ahead and cut the ends of your bow just to give it that nice finished look. And then what I did was I grabbed my feathers and I just kind of figured out where I wanted to put them in the middle of my wreath. Then I grabbed some more ribbon and just kind of played with it until I decided how the length that I wanted, and then attached the ribbon to those feathers. I keep wanting to say leaves, but those feathers, and then just go ahead and attach that to the back of your wreath. Then I added some more of those vase fillers into the center feathers that I put attached to the wreath. And there you have it, an adorable boho Christmas wreath. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.